Yo, what's good, you lovely, beautiful people? Welcome to Amateur Garage, man. This one's a bit different, bro. I'm just like doing a little bit of a vlog. Bro, I just woke up. Hey guys, Jordan, my boy Jordan, put his links right here. He's coming to pretty much help me. So we're gonna go get an oil pan for the Civic because it's leaking oil. Pretty much gonna change the oil pan, get a nice fresh one that's better from another D series. Do an oil change, oil filter change, and possibly a spark plug change. Just some maintenance on the car, something different, and then just show you guys a day in my life and what it's like. Right now, I'm gonna have a shower and get ready, and then yeah, we'll see what happens. Yo, what's good, guys? We're here with my boy Jordan.
What's up?
Alright, so right now, like I said, we're gonna go look at the oil pan, but the guy hasn't responded. So what we're gonna do now is, because we're doing the project of fixing the car, today's pretty much gonna be like, you guys just gonna come with us. We're gonna walk around the stores, have a look what we need to buy, maybe buy a few things. And we'll take it from there and see what happens. That JDM life, Toyota Supra type shit.
What do you think of the
Bro, red line?
Yeah, Jay. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, this ain't no Honda, bro.
Yeah, this ain't a Honda, bro. 2GRFE, V6, bro.
Yo, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let me know what you guys want me to do, what I'm like. What's cool? I just want to tell you guys, thank you for the support, bro, on the channel, bro. Like, I know we hit 13 subscribers, nothing much, but bro, this video dropped yesterday. It hasn't updated as yet, but you guys are crazy, bro. 1K views. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty blurry. Where is the 1K views, bro? I appreciate the love and support, guys. Thank you for subscribing to Amateur Garage. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be good. You guys just gotta trust the process, bro. But yeah, I'm just doing a little vlog for now, so let's get into it, bro. Oh, passenger princess vibes. You already know. Thank you, my love. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Alright. Oh, we don't have to walk it like that. We just vlog it. It's not deep.
Babe.
Pass it.
You want to take a photo of me?
No. You guys heard that, but some random ass stranger dude was just like, we could take a photo of me. I was telling Jordan, like, don't bother about filming, because normally on the other channel he films for me. But bro, that was funny as well. So we were browsing in the store. Kind of sat down for a bit to actually, you know, properly think about what I'm gonna buy, because that's a thing that I've learned recently. Maybe if I keep this here, you reckon it'll work?
No, we'll sleep straight away.
And we're gonna get the spark plugs. Fuck. Guys taking too long at the line, so we're just gonna walk around, have a look at some things. Oh, look, clean products. Don't you want it? Oh shit. Oh yeah, no. I thought it was red dye for a second. Dye the full match red.
You reckon they got dye here?
Nah.
Wait, surely they would, eh? Like car dye and shit like that.
I'm not too sure.
Plastic includes. Bro, no way, $700 for something amp. Nah, that's mad.
Bro.
No way.
Oh, you know this is the one I was originally gonna get. Oh wait, no, wait, it was.
Is
Oh
it
no,
the
it
big
was.
one or the small box?
I think it was this one.
Oh shit, what's that?
Oh no, it was this one. Yeah, this is the one I was gonna get.
Oh shit, what's that? 10 inch or? Yeah,
I don't even 10 inch, bro. But shit, you know the big one. How many inches is mine?
I think it was a 12A.
12 inch.
The one in the Honda, yeah.
So I paid $100. Not even 100. I paid $80 for
80 bucks?
80 bucks. This is like when I paid.
Yeah, this is 600.
This is in 2023. Like when it wasn't that bad.
Shit.
My first
No,
month
but
was
like-
cheap.
Oh,
I
that was
got a
marketplace.
sub,
Oh,
the 12 inch sub, and a 1000 watt amp in the back
Bro,
for
this is
80
500.
bucks.
This is 500 watts peak.
Mine's 1,000.
Shit, that's a good deal.
No wonder it sounds so crisp, eh?
Yeah. Oh, you can try the different speakers and shit, you know?
Bro's first time at Waterborne.
I said fuck up.
Alright, so right now, we just picked up, well, we didn't pick it up, but we got the receipt here. But the thing is, Waterborne here in Cannington does not have the Iridium spark plugs because it's on sale, so I think everybody's buying it. Yeah, we'll see what happens when we get to Coburn and grab some lunch or some shit, maybe, I guess.
Yeah, Bill is wrong.
Have you tried Ultimate Fried Chicken before?
No, I never tried UFC. Let's grab that shit.
Bro, let's grab that shit, bro.
Let's grab that
Hell
shit.
yeah.
Say less.
Let's do it. We got the spark plugs, as you guys can see, 4 of them, rubber band up. And now we're gonna go grab something to eat. Yes, sir.
Hey,
You gonna try Ultimate Fried Chicken for the first time?
Yeah.
Chicken muncher?
Nah. Yeah. Yeah, I can't lie. I can't have chicken muncher. I can't lie. Hey, show him how small the reverse camera in this car is.
What the hell? That's tiny, bro.
Yeah, gee, but it's better than nothing.
Oh wait, this is pretty creative though. But why did you switch it out? Seems.
Bro, it's just I don't want to spend too much money on a car.
That is so smart, dude. It's like it goes in the disc player.
Yeah.
That's sick. Bro's first time trying this shit.
It's so hot.
Are you ready? 3, 2.
That's probably your favourite, yeah?
Yep. What do you think?
It's really good, bro.
Better than KFC, bro.
Huh?
Better than KFC. Hands down, bro. Way better. We're gonna munch this shit, bro, so after we're done, we'll come back.
Let's get it.
That's the thumbnail. For the thumbnail, hold the chicken up and be like, yeah. So we freaking whacked off that ultimate fried chicken, bro. We just munched that shit down. This guy was burning his tongue and everything, bro. I wish I recorded it, bro.
It was too hot, bro. That shit,
Bro, this guy full on was like.
Look at someone that gets slappy.
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Fuck it, let's do that. Oh my days, bro, this guy. Wait,
look at turd, bro. After eating ultimate fried chicken. I got our camera too, that's crazy.
So we're here back at home and we got the Civic right here. Popped up the bonnet, that's all I did right now, but pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to change these spark plugs here. Right now we're changing to the spark plugs from copper to Iridium, bro. So these are them right here, as you guys can see. $21 bloody, bro, it better be worth it. But pretty much going to change it because I haven't changed it since I bought this car, and like I said, Project Restore is what we're going to do. So let's get to it, unbox these and start taking out the spark plug leads. There's the product code if you guys want to buy it. This is it right there, yeah. Alright guys, so right now we're changing the spark plugs, but we're gonna take out the battery first. So here's your 10mm, and start wrenching the shit out of this thing, bro. So now, pretty much, guys, I'm gonna just tape out all this and just pretty much do it to each and every one of these sparklers, bro. I'm sure the mechanics don't do this, but like I said, bro, we're amateur mechanics. This is such a ghetto job, guys. Like, I would not use fucking electrical tape for this, but you know, it is what it is, bro. All right, there we go. So that's done. Now I'm going to label them. So I'm probably going to label it like this. Number 1 here, number 2 here, number 3 here, number 4 here. Like that. Easy. Now we know what to do. Alright, so right now I'm just going to pull this out. Alrighty. Take those off these clips here. I'm just going to take these leads and pretty much just put them to the side here. Leave them like that for now. It should be all good. There are these spark plugs in there. You can kind of see in the light. Maybe this one here. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this in right now. I'm just going to literally... Oh yeah, that motherfucker was torqued down, bro. And ladies and gents, there's the spark plug. Go nice and gently to the engine, carefully. Alright guys, so right now we're just gonna check on these leads, as you guys can see here. Put them in order already, but they're already like, you know, together. So what we're gonna do is gonna chuck in number 4, which is the last one. I'll go with these first. Number 4, shove it in nicely, give it a little press. Look, like that. You just wanna make sure they're all nice and steady in. Connect these little bits together so they're all running nice and smooth. And yeah, let's fire up the car. And there we go, first try and we're back. Let's do it, baby. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The first video for Amateur Garage, bro, you already know. The first one we done with my boy. We're gonna do more cool content like this, so hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care, peace.